Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So starting on the 8 hour, and have a look at the oscillators. We have a serious amount of diversions here. So there's the previous swing low, there's the current swing low. So if I just put a diagonal between those two levels, you'll see what I'm talking about. So this one here is around 16,595. This swing low here is around 16,980. So you see price making a higher high, oscillators making a lower low. So that is bullish diversions, which is in play at the moment. We do have a fairly interesting level we need to figure out, and that is this previous swing high at 16,746. So last week was pretty much a sideways week, big up, big down. Does look like it's got a bit of a toppy feel to it, or toppy look to it. I'm not entirely convinced, but let's just have a look on the lower time frames. So looking at the 3 hour, that's your cue to hit that like button and give us a thumbs up. At the moment, you can see how we've been flirting. Let's get this exact. So exact is 16,749. And again, it's the importance of pin bars. See those tails? Tails always indicate that something big happened there. And if I draw one on the bottom here of this pin bar, you'll see that is the zone that something is happening. There was a rejection and there was a buying opportunity, and we came back to test it going at the close. So the question is, head and shoulders for a move down, or is this something else? Is this just a consolidation for a leg up? We do have a bit of a diagonal trend line here as well from the top, and quite frankly, I think for me, this is a sit quietly and wait. I'm going to just bring the closest bit of structure that I can bring into this. That makes the most sense. Going to be above this little range bar here at 16,795. And I'm going to round that off to 16,800. Okay, there is a bit of structure there as well. Right, so drill down to the 15 minutes. As long as you've got those levels in, you'll see the opportunities starting to show themselves. I'm not entirely sure we need to be looking for shorts just yet. If we break this trend line and break 16,683 and come back and retest it, then I'll change my tune. But for now, I'm looking for price to get above 16,800, build a base above that for a long. Until that happens, I'm not really interested in anything. So not interested in shorting this at the moment, and that's kind of the area I'll be looking in. Just bear in mind, as we head into Christmas, volumes are going to get lower and lower, and people are going to sort of take little breaks and step away from the markets for a bit. So just keep that in the back of your mind when you're trading. Don't try and rush things. Wait for proper breakouts and retests before you start trading the DAX. So that's kind of my view at the moment. I don't see anything else happening. You may want to be on the 5 minute for this. And if you're on the 5 minute, you basically could have a breakout over here at 16,766, hitting 16,800. So if you look at this from there to underneath the current low of the morning, that's about 36 point stop loss for 36 point gain. So 1-to-1 trade. Okay, but anyway, that's kind of my view for today. We are ranging at the moment, so I'd want to see a break, retest. I want to see the moving averages crossed over, pointing up, and I want to see the oscillators come down. I don't want to see this above and below the moving averages that we have at the moment, because that is not helping us at all. Okay, so 16,800 is the level to pay attention to. Break and retest that. You're looking for a long, and we should be able to hold a decent swing trade for a couple of days. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.